from a height, 3 balls are thrown with speed u. So the first ball is thrown vertically upward with velocity u and from initial height h. Second ball is thrown horizontally with initial velocity u and initial height h. Third ball is thrown vertically downward with initial velocity u and initial height h above the ground. The time taken to reach the ground, that is also known as the time of fall, are t1, t2 and t3. The path followed by the first will look like this. The path followed by the second will look like this, projectile motion. The path followed by the third will look like this. So vertically, for the first particle, displacement is equal to minus h, u is equal to u, time t is equal to t1, acceleration is minus g. So we can use s is equal to ut plus half at square. So minus h is equal to ut1 minus gt1 square by 2. For second particle, it is horizontal projection. So we can use for vertical, minus h is equal to ut plus half at square. Vertical initial velocity is 0. So 0 minus half g t2 square. So h is equal to g by 2 into t2 square. Now for third, initial velocity is minus u, acceleration is minus g, displacement is minus h, time taken is t3. By using s is equal to ut plus half at square, we'll get minus h is equal to minus u t3 minus half g t3 square. Now using these two equations, we can say ut1 minus g by 2 into t1 square is equal to minus ut3 minus g by 2 into t3 square, or u into t1 plus t3 is equal to g by 2 into t1 square minus t3 square. U into t1 plus t3 is equal to g by 2, use a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So 2u by g is equal to t1 minus t3. Now using minus h is equal to ut1 minus half g t1 square and h is equal to half g t2 square, we can say minus half g t2 square is equal to ut1 minus half g t1 square, or g by 2 into t1 square minus t2 square is equal to ut1. Substitute the value of u, we'll get g by 2 into t1 minus t3 into t1. So t1 square minus t2 square is equal to t1 square minus t1 t3. So minus t2 square is equal to minus t1 t3, or t2 is equal to square root of t1 t3. Second option.